When I heard about dental photography and I heard Dr. Mayur Dauda is going to have a 3-day program, my first question was, what is there for 3 days? Somehow I decided to take the plunge. But let me tell you, what I really got fascinated right from day one all the way up till day 3 was two things. One was there's so much to learn in photography in general and dental photography in particular, that how Mayur has explained in the last 3 days completely changed my perspective on the importance of photography in dentistry. The second thing that I really enjoyed was the way Mayur conducted himself and conducted the program, right from his voice modulations to the way that he made things so simple for people to understand, and the way that he gathered respect for himself by genuinely understanding the requirements of each and every participant. So if someone is an oral surgeon, and someone's a prosthodontist, someone's a general practitioner, someone does a lot of aesthetics. So he went into the nitty-gritties of what each and every person may require in their field. And that's something unique that not all people who teach do it. That shows the personal care and involvement that Mayur showed. And for me, it was an eye-opener both in terms of dental photography for sure, and more importantly, to how great and how long Mayur has come. And here's wishing you a lot more success in future, and you are number one today in the country when it comes to dental photography, and I hope you continue to grow by leaps and bounds, and many more people get benefited from this course. I'm wishing you a long, successful and a very prosperous career ahead. Thank you, and cheers.